Hi there, welcome to our series of ALBA Scots Trad Music Awards 2022 sponsored chats. Today we are speaking to Alex Ogilvie from Gaelic Singer of the Year sponsor Highland Society of London. How's it going, Alex?
Yeah, good, thanks. How's it going, Simon?
Hi, it's good. It's good. It's having a nice time. So tell us about the Highland Society of London. What do you do?
So the Highland Society of London is a charity. It's been established for a long time, over 200 years, and has worked tirelessly in that time to support the traditions and culture of the Highlands and Islands of Scotland. So that's really our primary objective. We look at all different activities, all different art forms. We support piping and Highland dancing on the sort of traditional side, if you like, but also all aspects of literature, music, and visual arts. We try basically to encourage more people to participate in those activities in the Highlands. But we also try to promote those activities and the people who do engage in them to a wide audience across the world.
Yeah, it's amazing. And if people do want to find out more, there's a website, highlandsocietyoflondon.org. So you were recently involved with the Royal National Mod and you launched an art prize.
We did, yes. So we've been working on that project for a few years, and we got together with the Royal National Mod this year in Perth. And we launched the inaugural Highland Art Prize, which was a competition and exhibition for artists from across the Highlands and Islands, which was presented as a fringe event, if you like, within the aegis of the Royal National Mod in Perth.
Yeah, there was some beautiful artworks in it as well.
Yes, we had a fantastic response. We worked primarily with art organisations from across the Highlands. So what we asked them to do was to pre-select the work that they would submit to the prize. So there was an element of curation, if you like, going into the event. And as a result, we ended up with some spectacular work.
Oh, that's amazing, actually. So what are your plans and ambitions for 2023?
So our strategy over the last few years has been to try to establish a portfolio of activities across all of the major art forms in the Highlands. And by that, I mean targeting both the sort of blue ribbon events for people at the pinnacle of their achievement in those art forms, but also encouraging participation at the grassroots level. So, for example, we sponsor the Gaelic Singer of the Year award at the Trads, which is the highest achievement in that field. But we also provide prizes for youth singing at the Mod to encourage young people to take part. And similarly, on piping, for example, we give the gold medal for Pibroch at the Argyllshire Gathering and the Northern Meeting, which is, again, the highest achievement for pipers. But we also sponsor the McGregor Memorial Pibroch competition, which is for young pipers. So it's trying to find that balance of bringing people into the media and also rewarding those at the highest level, which gives us that ability to both support people who are participating, but also promote to people who are merely watching on, if you like.
Now, I have maybe a slightly strange question, actually, that just occurred to me there. Gold medal. Do they get a gold medal?
They do, yes. And we have a safe in London which has a stock that will last us hopefully for another 10 years. After that, we will need to try and find someone who can strike some more for us.
Amazing.
I'm not telling you where the safe is.
Just like the Olympics. That is pretty cool. So 20 years of the Trad Awards, and we really appreciate you being part of it for quite a few years now. It's brilliant. And I know you're coming up. How do you plan to celebrate being part of the 20th year of the Trad Awards?
I think the thing I'm sort of most looking forward to is it being back to a full-on live event, with a proper audience and everything. My previous experience was the 2019 awards in Aberdeen, and that was a fantastic night full of excellent performances and well-deserved awards. So I'm looking forward to getting back to that spirit and having a really enjoyable evening.
Well, thanks very much, Alex. Now, if you want to find out about the Highland Society of London, go to their website, highlandsocietyoflondon.org, and you can see on the screen. If you want to find out more about the Scots Trad Music Awards, visit scotstradmusicawards.com. So thanks very much for today, Alex, and I'll see you soon.